Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your nickname in the NaviBridge application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the left. And then at the settings section, click on the settings button. And if you scroll down at the friend map section, look for the edit nickname button. It is at the very bottom of the page, and just click on that. And here you can just enter any nickname that you want to use in this application, and then just click on the done button and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.